warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Salam.
Before we start our material, let me to introduce myself and also my group. My name is Karisma Mardiana Anindasari and my group are Hana Trisnayana and also Nurul Adita. We are going to discuss or explain about performable case studies. Okay, let's start. And then first, I will explain you about the background first. This is the case study from healthcare. That's about performable case study in ethics education. About the background. First, in the Platonic dialogue Euthyphro, the title characters on his way to court to prosecute his own father for implied. By chance encounters Socrates, who praised Euthyphro to explain his unwavering certainty of the defended quarrel. And then, even if there is only one way to read the evidence, a proposition which is extremely doubtful, by what mental, spiritual, intellectual can you be certain that you know that one undoubtedly correct interpretation? This is a fundamental question that attends in ethical. And then the case study background is performable case study is about one study about ethics in teaching for the teacher to the students, and then it's specifically for the health students or medical students like this. Okay, next will be explained by Hannah.
Nurul.
Okay. Uh, Performable case studies with 6 contexts related to ethic in teaching. There are program, practice, history, religion, school policies, and the last one is student psychology. All of this will be explained one by one on the next slide. Anna?
Next, I'm Hana. I will explain about program. First, improve ethic education as a way to increase students' sensitivity and responsiveness to their needs and interests. Next, the teacher plan to ask students to create original thematic works, case, to reflect and provoke the careful argument required in the analysis. Next, profiling case study. This course model engages students to form various disciplines in researching, writing, presenting, and discussing short case studies in the form of dialogue designed to provoke thoughtful consideration and discussion. Next, practice. First, the teacher or lecturer set the standard of education in many universities as do novel, new work, and collection that include short story, creative non-fiction essay, and select poem to stimulate discussion of problem and question in class. Next, students are currently required to write their own short story or poetry for literary magazines, and many short literary outlets are based on medical, graduate, and even law school. Next, the writing process starts approximately two-thirds of the way to the semester, facilitated through intra and intergroup dynamic of 4 writing teams, whose membership changes according to the skin, dialogue, and interact of certain writing character. Next, under guidance, students write workable case study that's exploring family dynamic, raise important questions about how to interpret patient desires, the relationship between autonomy and best interest, and the different interpretation of each, the complex attachment between emotion and reason in family decision making, and the legal limit in end-of-life matters. Next.
Okay, next I will explain about the other perspective that is about the religions. First is the code of ethics for the teachers is designed to protect the rights of the students. The ethics education is the main area of pedagogical education. Okay, let's next about the Al-Ghazali explain the characteristic an educator must have. There are 8. First is affection. This is about such as for one's own children. Second, expecting no material but hoping for the pleasures of Allah and takarrub to Him. Third, doesn't not to stop advising pupils even though the rights are small. Next, social control for pupils in a weak way soft. And then the next, not demeaning knowledge and people. 6. Provide material accordingly with the ability of reasons of students. And 7. Motivating students who low ability. And then the last one, acting in accordance with their knowledge. It means that the religion is important to in we use or the teacher use in teaching in ethical teaching like this. Next. Okay, I will explain you about the historical, about the performable case study. Uh, this is accordance with what I say to you before. This case study is about the teaching or ethical in teaching for the students about and yang terkhusus untuk medical students. Okay, performable case studies began live in 1988 as an extracurricular enrichment activity for medical students and funded by the North Carolina Humanities Council as a community outreach activity designed to stimulate engagement and discussion between healthcare professionals and students and the general public about a broad range of ethical and social issues. And then the next, after they found about the performable case study, this is about the stage reading was an adaptation of William Carlos Williams. It is about a short story about the title is Mind and Body. From the collection, the doctor, the success of the first performable case study led to a collaboration between NCHG and UNC Chapel Hill, both medical schools and the graduate school. East California University, the medical school, and Duke University, the medical school, in a successful application to the National Endowment for the Humanities for a 3-year Assembly Award in the year 1990 until 1992. It's mean we conclude that performable case study is very important to apply in medical students like this, and this is the history that I can give to you, guys.
I
Okay.
will continue. I will explain about school policies. Policies is generally an intense a set of rules and principles adopted for ease of governments within an organization. Schools should ensure multicultural perspectives are incorporated into all aspects of school life by promoting diversity as a positive learning experience, incorporating multicultural perspective across all learning domains, and an intercultural understanding and cross-cultural communication skill. There are 4 steps to bring multiculturalism into each classroom. The first, provide a basic education for all students. The second is address language and cultural norms. And the last is make it a learning experience. Next. Student psychological. Psychological factor is a factor that is mentally or spiritual concurred with the aspect in student acquisition. It at least involves 4 of many factors such as 1. Language consistency is conceptualized as a situation-specific personality trait having 2 psychological components. 2. Aptitude. Aptitude is defined as the capacity to learn possessed by someone. 3. Attitude is defined as a manner of acting, feeling, or thinking that show one's disposition, opinion. And 4. The dumbbell attitude. Probably one of the most prevalent negative attitude is what Smith called as the dumbbell attitude. Okay.
Next, I'm Hannah. I will explain about infographic according to our journal about professional ethics. Here are some ethics that teacher apply. Consists of first, punctuality 68.9. Next, communication skill 63.3. Next, human relation 61.1. Next, time management 66.6. Next, knowledge of subject 67.8. The last is dressing habit 81.2. Next, Karisma.
Okay, well, thank you, Hannah. I will explain you about the performable case studies area. Okay, let's see about the table 1. Performable case studies 1988 until 2016. This is about the subjects or issues, area, and setting. Okay, the right one is about the year, and then the right one is about the themes and the original. And then yang tengah, this is about the title or the author, like this. And let's see about the first table is about the doctor's dilemma, enemy of the people, the doctors, and the devils. Okay, let's see about the themes. The themes is about the resource allocation, public health, biohazard, and then research ethics. It is really important, guys. And then the table 1 and in the second column is about the dance of power, the burial society, and the duty to rescue, who rights and narrow familial tangle, unqualifiable rich thalidomide on trial, constitutes decision, throne and portrait. And you can see about the original in the right side. Like this, okay?
Next.
Okay, finished. Is there any questions? Feel free to answer your questions in our column, guys. Okay, me Karisma Mariana and my friend Hana Tisnayana and also Nurul Adita say thank you for your attention and also for your time. Hopefully you can more understand about the performable case studies like we explained to you before. And yep, if you have any question, feel free to answer your questions. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.